to my channel. It's maths time. Let's begin with exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Question number 1 is write the following quadratic equations in the standard form and point out pair quadratic equations. Now you should know what is quadratic equation, what is its standard form and what is pure quadratic equations. इसकी वीडियो आप देख सकते हैं. You can go and watch my previous video on these topics. Now let's start with the question. Question is in fraction form. First we have to write quadratic equation in the standard form. So I'm going to write here standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Now I have to convert this fraction into this form, right? So how we can do this? First step is take LCM. I hope that all of you can take LCM easily. I'm going to tell you x plus 2, x plus 3, 12 and 12. ये तीनों कोई भी किसी का फैक्टर नहीं है. It means the LCM would be x plus 2, x plus 3 and 12. So I will write 12 here. This is the LCM. Now we multiply each fraction with these LCM. So first x plus 1 by x plus 2 multiplied with 12, we can write 12x plus 2 x plus 3 into x plus 1 by x plus 2 plus 12x plus 2 x plus 3 multiplied with x plus 2 x plus 3 is equals to 12 x plus 2 x plus 3 multiplied with 25 by 12. I'm going to repeat it till here if you have any problem. First step, we are taking LCM. Why we are taking LCM? To convert fraction into simple form, right? So LCM is 12 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. क्योंकि कोई भी किसी का फैक्टर नहीं है इसलिए ये तीनों ही इसका LCM है. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में आपने इस LCM वाली टर्म को हर फ्रैक्शन के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. लाइक यू कैन सी फर्स्ट x plus 1 x plus 2 is multiplying with this LCM. Then x plus 2 second term is going to multiply with this LCM, and at the end the third fraction will be going to multiply with this LCM. Is it clear? So next step is you will do the cancellation where possible. You can see x plus 2 can be cancelled out with this. Here x plus 3 can be cancelled out with this, and here x 12 can be cancelled out with the denominator. So I'm going to left with 12 x plus 3 x plus 1, right? 12 x plus 3 x plus 1 plus 12 x plus 2 and x plus 2 and 25 x plus 2 x plus 3, right? I hope that you don't have any problem till here. Now in the next step we have to multiply these two brackets. 12. Now I think you should know that how to multiply them. X square. Now x will be going to multiply with 1. So it becomes x. 3 will be multiplying with x is 3x, and 3 will be multiplying with 1 is 3, right? Next 12 x into x is x square, x into 2 is 2x, plus 2 into x is 2x, plus 2 into 2 is 4. 25, x into x is x square, plus x into 3 is 3x, plus 2 into x is 2x, and 2 into 3 is 6. Now we are going to simplify it. 12x square, we can add both these terms. X plus 3x is 4x, plus 3 plus 12 x square, 2x plus 2x is 4x, plus 4 is equals to 25 x square, 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 6. Okay, so now what we are going to do is 12, 12. It means both the values are having 12, so we can take 12 as a common. And we can write all these numbers together. X square plus 4x plus 3 plus x square plus 4x plus 4. Okay, here I can write here, so you can understand easily. 12 common. I have taken 12 as a common. So I am going to left with these factors. Now you can add the same factors. Write it as it is. Okay, so here x square can be added to x square, it becomes 2x square. 4x plus 4x is 8x, and 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, now I have to move there. I'm going to write that step here so you can understand easily. 2x square plus 8x plus 7 is equals to 25x square plus 5x plus 6. Now multiply the 12 with the bracket. 12 into 2 is 24x square. 12 into 8 is 96. Plus 12, 7 into 12 is 84. 25 into x is 25x square, plus 25 into 5 is 125x, plus 6 into 25 is 150. You can also use calculator here. Okay. Now we have to write the same expressions together and take all the expressions to your left hand side. So what I'm going to do is 24x square, 25x square will be going there, so here it is plus, when it goes there it becomes minus. Here 125x, when it goes there it becomes minus 125x, plus 84, 150 will go there, it becomes minus, is equals to 0. Okay, so now 24 minus 25 is what? Plus 24 minus 25 is minus 1x square. 96 minus 125 is minus 29x, plus 84 minus 150 is 66, is equals to 0. So I am going to left with minus 1x square minus 29x minus 66 is equals to 0. Now you can see that I have negative sign throughout. So what I can do is I can take minus as a common. So I'm going to left with x square plus 29x plus 66 is equals to 0. Now see, what was my question? राइट द फॉलोइंग क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। आपने क्या करना था, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस आपको गिवन थी, आपने उनको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना था। स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में मैंने आपको यहाँ पे लिख दिया था ax² + bx + c = 0। नाउ यू कैन कंपेयर दिस with this. Is it standard form? You can see x² + 29x + 66 = 0. ax² + bx + c = 0. Now you can compare it with this. Here you can see highest power of x is 2. It means this is the quadratic equation. Now question was point out pure quadratic equation. Is it pure quadratic or not? Pure quadratic, for pure quadratic you should know that the value of this should be 0. So here we have 29x. It means that this is not pure quadratic. This is its standard form. And this equation I will write with this. This is quadratic equation, not pure quadratic. I'm going to revise the question once again, so if you have any problem, you can check it out. The question was you have to write the quadratic equations in standard form and point out pure quadratic equation, right? So this was the question. Question was in fraction form. So आपने क्या करना है, फर्स्ट आपको एलसीएम लेना है। एलसीएम कैसे लिखते हैं, x + 2, x + 3 और 12। कोई भी किसी का फैक्टर नहीं है। फैक्टर मीन्स कि कोई भी किसी के उस पर डिविजिबल नहीं है नंबर। इट मीन्स के ये तीनों ही इसका एलसीएम में इंक्लूड होंगे, राइट। देन आपने इस एलसीएम को हर फ्रैक्शन से इंडिविजुअली मल्टीप्लाई करना है। x + 1 / x + 2 मल्टीप्लाई होगा इस एलसीएम से, x + 2 / x + 3 मल्टीप्लाई होगा इस एलसीएम से, और 25/12 मल्टीप्लाई होगा इस एलसीएम से। जो जो चीज़ें कैंसिल आउट हो सकती हैं आप उनको कैंसिल आउट कर देंगे जैसे मैंने किया है, एंड यू आर लेफ्ट विद दीज टर्म्स, ठीक है। उसके बाद दो ब्रैकेट्स को मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करते हैं, x पहले मल्टीप्लाई होगा फर्स्ट टर्म से, x × x इज x², ठीक, x × x is x², x × 1 is x, 3 × x is 3x, and 3 × 1 is 3. So now you will multiply all the brackets, then you will simplify it. You can take 12 common, and after doing simplification you are left with x² + 29x + 66 = 0. I have written here the standard form of quadratic equation. It must having the value or power of x should be equals to 2. So in my answer you can see x², power of x is 2. So that is the answer, and it is not pure quadratic. Why? Because value of b is not 0. What is the value of b there? B is equals to 29. I can write there, so you can see here for pure quadratic value of b should be 0, and here value of b is equals to 29. It means that it is not pure quadratic. So do practice other questions and do let me know if you find any difficulty. Goodbye.